Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Super excited to show you this 2007 Premier 225 SunSation that came in on trade. As you can see here, lots of room to move about. Got an extended platform here up in the bow. Storage underneath all the seats, cup holders. It's a great pontoon to get out on the lakes with your family and friends. You have different entry points here, either on the port side, up in the bow, and then also aft. This pontoon does come with a trailer shown on the pictures online. Great L-shaped seating here with a table. Storage underneath the helm. This does have a Lowrance and also our standard tacks and gauges, trim, battery life, fuel level, RPMs and speed. Manual, Bimini top and boot. This does have the Honda 115 on it. And then underneath here, it's going to be your changing room setup. And taking a look aft, pop this up, you can see there's the 115 Honda, and then our fuel fill up. Again, this is a 2007 Premier 225 SunSation located here in Rogers. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by.